A very good evening to one and all gathered here. Today we are going to see the next module in Unit 4 from Computer Integrated Manufacturing, Automated Factory Data Collection System. In the last segment, we saw about manufacturing resource planning. In continuation to that, now we are in the second segment of Unit 4, Automated Factory Data Collection System. Let us see what are the common features of automated factory data collection system and what are the various technologies that are very much suited for automated data collection system. Let us move as per the flow. So now we will move on to the introduction chapter to automatic identification of data collection system. So what exactly it means? So automatic identification and data capture commonly refers to the methods of identifying the physical objects, collecting the basic information about the physical objects and entering the data about the particular object directly into the computer machine without the involvement of human intervention. So here in this process, the job of the human work will be reduced completely. Instead, we will be using automatic reading and data capturing machineries for feeding the information into the system as well as for retrieving the information from the system. So the trend in factory data collection system is towards the use of more automated technology. The today's trend in factory data collection system mainly believes the advanced use of automation methods. So the fully flexible automated methods fall within the scope of process monitoring function. The common hardware components that are used in process monitoring system are considered to be sensors and transducers. These are the two signal conditioning systems. Now let us go into the typical technologies that comes under automated identification and data capture analysis. Barcode technology, radio frequency identification system, biometric and voice recognition. So these are some of the things we are going to see one by one in the next consecutive information. So we will see the basic general application of automated data collection system. Let us consider employee attendance using biometric security analysis. So what are the common the characteristics that are required for monitoring an online attendance of an employee? Say finger image, palm image, facial image, sometimes voice print. These are some of the basic the parameters which involves the main thing to record the fundamental information for monitoring the attendance of the employee every day in an organization. So this further reduce the time and also the energy. Instead of physically monitoring the employee attendance through computer and biometric system, we can easily capture the information that is readily available in the system software. Now, what do you mean by a data acquisition? So computer is considered to be a data acquisition machine. Typically, it collects data from a particular process from the basic equipment and it will try to analyze more depth. So thereby computer system is considered to be a data acquisition device. Now let us see the various types of automated identification technology. The very first one we are going to see now is barcode technology. So what is meant by a barcode? It is an optical machine readable devices. How the barcode uh, looks like. So it is a label which has vertical rectangular strips that are coded in black color, and in between two rectangular strips there will be some white patch. So the white patch are considered to be the space required between the two adjacent rectangular black strips. So this is the physical identification of the barcode label. So the barcode comprises of a small image of lines and spaces that are contained most probably in retail store items, even in ID cards, postal mail, etc., which will track the personal geographical location, number of the person, etc. So the barcode reader is used to read the code that is enclosed within the barcode strips. The barcode reader uses a laser beam that is highly sensitive to reflection, so from the line and space thickness and variation. So when the laser beam strikes the barcode label, it is highly sensitive to vibration. So accordingly, the space thickness and variation of the barcode label, we can able to track the number of information that is enclosed within the barcode label. So the reader translates the reflected light into a digital data, and that will be transferred directly to the computer for immediate storage. So application of barcodes, it is seen normally in supermarkets and retail stores, and also in inventory to take stock account of items, even in library for book returning, as well as delivering the book on time depending on the due date. And it is also used for tracking the manufacturing of finished end items from the warehouse, etc. Next technology is radio frequency identification system. Why radio frequency identification is considered to be the most widely popular used technology compared to traditional barcode. Here in barcode technology, there is one disadvantage. So the capturing of the physical image of the object is considered to be a distance constraint. Only at a particular range we can able to cover the image of the object by flashing the laser beam light. Whereas in radio frequency, it is not a distance constraint. We can keep the object at any, we can keep the radio frequency tag at any direction. So at an infinite distance, at a far away distance, we can able to locate the physical object very easily, and also we can track it. So let us see how radio frequency identification system works. So it uses electromagnetic fields to automatically detect and track the RFID tags that are attached to the physical objects. The tags will have the electronic stored information. There are two different types of RFID tag. One is passive and active tags. Normally, passive tags will collect the energy source from nearby RFID reader by transmitting the radioactive waves. Whereas active tags will have a local power source, say battery, so it may operate at a few hundred meter distance from the RFID reader. So unlike barcode, RFID need not to be kept very close as per the line of sight. The RFID, we can able to embed the tag within the physical object. It is one of the most important method preferred for the automatic identification data capturing method. And this is the physical outlook of RFID uh, tag, which looks in the form of a capsule like appearance. Application of RFID. It is used in many industries, particularly in automobile assembly line, to track the movement of assembly component. RFID tags are used, and also in material warehouse, the RFID tags. There also we can apply in order to monitor the ongoing shipping movement of material from the warehouse to the truck. The last one is voice assisted technology. So it is the other important method in automated data collection system. What do you mean by voice assisted technology? So generally, speech is the natural mode of communication according to human being. So there are some errors as per the human communication. In order to rectify the error, we need to use a computer recorded voice message by eliminating the human user. So by following standard pattern and accurate accessibility of data or information. So there are two types of voice recognition system. One is speaker dependent and another one is speaker independent. So how does the mechanism behaves? The voice recognition system generally takes the user vocabulary of the standard voice pattern and it will be converted into a computer image. If the input matches the standard pattern, the stored pattern, the recognition of voice will be achieved. The speaker independent system use a standard template from the memory of stored digital image, that is recorded image. If the template matches with the speech pattern of both male and female speakers, the condition will be satisfied. So what does the voice recognition system? It works on sensing the acoustic signal by converting with the help of the microphone. And this serves as a basic input for further understanding the instruction to achieve our vision. What do you do with this voice assisted technology? We can able to dictate the information using recorded voice communication, even for data entry, call routing, navigation, etc. Even for information access, say, airline schedule, stock codes, even for travel planning, logistics. These areas we can help with the help of the voice assisted technology. We can able to have a tight control over this system. So finally, so what are the areas of application where the speech recognition modules are used? It is used in BPO, automatic telecaller service, then for better customer relationship management. So by using this, we can able to reduce the fake message or fraudulent message passing through the online communication system. So with this, I thank each and every one of you. We have come to the end of Unit 4 in SIM. In the next meeting, we will discuss about the Unit 5, the last chapter in SIM. So thank you, Anando.